The Galaxy S25 Ultra model intended for the US market has reappeared on the Geekbench benchmarking platform, displaying its highest performance figures yet. It's not surprising to see an improvement in scores, as synthetic benchmark results often get better as a device nears completion. Still, the new numbers via at UCamlosReeve hold significant promise for the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing just how impressive Qualcomm's latest chip appears on paper. As you may recall, the US Galaxy S25 Ultra, model S938U, was first spotted on Geekbench in September, achieving peak scores of 3,069 for single-core and 9,080 for multi-core, although some earlier scores were considerably lower. Now we're seeing peak synthetic scores reaching 3,148 for single-core and 10,236 for multi-core. Not only are these numbers impressive in isolation, but they also stand out when compared to today's Galaxy S25 Plus benchmark results. Earlier today, another test featured the European S25 Plus variant, likely powered by the as-yet unannounced Exynos 2500 chip. The S25 Plus recorded single and multi-core scores of around 2,360 and 8,140 points respectively. While these Snapdragon-based scores may be exciting, it's essential to remember that early benchmarks aren't definitive. As we noted earlier, scores for devices still in development aren't always reliable, as lab conditions may not push prototype devices to their true potential. For instance, the screenshot shows some early Galaxy S25 Ultra SMS938U tests with unusually low scores. Will these early benchmarks reflect the device's final performance? Certainly not. Today's benchmarks show major improvements, but it's unclear under what conditions those initial tests were conducted. In short, take these early scores with a grain of caution. While they can be informative, it's best not to form any fixed conclusions just yet, as Samsung continues to refine the device. A fresh set of leak cases provides a glimpse at the front design of the Galaxy S25 lineup. Leaker Roland Quant posted images of third-party silicone covers designed for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The cases align with previous leaks about the Galaxy S25 series, indicating Samsung may be going with a conservative design similar to the current Galaxy S24 models. However, there will be some cosmetic refinements. For instance, Samsung is set to reduce bezel sizes around the display, and the next-gen models are expected to be slimmer, making them more comfortable to hold. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models will retain a triple rear camera setup like the Galaxy S24 series, while the Ultra version will feature 4 sensors. Leaks suggest Samsung will upgrade 2 out of the 4 lenses on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, whereas the cameras on the less expensive models will largely stay the same. The leak cases also confirm a design distinction between the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its more affordable counterparts. The Standard and Plus models will feature rounded corners, while the Ultra will have a boxier shape with sharper edges. Unlike the iPhone 16 series, there are no significant changes to the physical button layout. Samsung will stick with traditional volume and power buttons, as expected. Samsung's dream of creating the ultimate smartphone chip has officially ended. We've seen the reports and heard the rumors, but now it's confirmed. Samsung has canceled the Exynos 2500, paving the way for the Galaxy S25 series to exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip worldwide. This means that for the first time, you don't need to buy the Ultra model to enjoy Samsung's best performance. Now even the standard Galaxy S25 delivers top-tier speed. And looking ahead, the S26 series is rumored to stick with the Snapdragon 9 Elite, or whatever its official name may be. I still think the S25 series will be a lot more efficient overall thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which boasts an impressive 44% improvement in power efficiency over the previous generation. Samsung found a way to save some money. The Galaxy S25 series will use M13 OLED panels rather than the latest M14 panels. You might wonder what difference that makes. Essentially, M14 panels are about 20% more power efficient than M13. What's ironic is that Samsung is giving its top-of-the-line M14 OLED displays to its biggest competitor, Apple, for the iPhone 16 Pro series. This is probably a side effect of switching fully to Qualcomm, as the newer Qualcomm chips reportedly cost around 20% more than the last generation. So unfortunately, we likely won't see display upgrades for the Galaxy S25 series. Here are 5 key reasons to get excited about this flagship release. The Ultra variant represents Samsung's peak in both hardware and software. This device has everything a flagship enthusiast could want, and with this next version, Samsung is elevating the Ultra specs through 5 notable upgrades. Display. Samsung's Ultra devices are renowned for their screens, and the S24 Ultra led the way with its slimmer bezels. It came with a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display with rounded corners and a max refresh rate of 120 Hz. According to recent reports, the S25 Ultra will refine the display by rounding not only the corners but also the middle frame. Unlike its predecessor, this model will feature a flat frame highlighting the thin display edges. This will mark the first time Samsung opts for a flat frame over curved edges. The S25 Ultra may slightly increase the screen size to 6.86 inches and include a new LED composition, enhancing both visual quality and viewing angles. With these display adjustments and a new frame design, Samsung aims for a lighter, slimmer device for an improved in-hand feel. Performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, offering a 45% performance boost, a 44% improvement in power efficiency, and a larger shared data cache. Its new Adreno GPU architecture brings a 40% boost in both performance and gaming frame efficiency. The Hexagon NPU and the Snapdragon 8 Elite can handle AI tasks with a 45% performance boost, delivering similar enhancements in performance per watt and supporting longer token inputs. Camera. The S25 Ultra will carry over the 200MP main camera, a 10MP secondary telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 50MP primary periscope lens with 5x zoom, similar to the previous Ultra. However, a notable upgrade is a new 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens. This addition will enhance photography and videography quality, aligning it with the main camera's standards. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's AI, coupled with its Hexagon NPU, will enable advanced camera features and improve 4K photo and videography, including tools like Video Object Remover for enhanced image editing. Battery. The upcoming S series will likely maintain the 5,000 mAh battery from its predecessor with 45-watt fast charging support. However, enhanced software and chip optimizations could improve power efficiency and extend battery life. Software. One UI 7 will launch with the Galaxy S25 series, featuring fresh graphical changes, including redesigned quick settings for better interactivity. Beyond UI enhancements, Samsung has simplified the interface and refined key system elements like settings and in-device searches with AI. AI-driven improvements could also impact system apps, especially the camera app, boosting quality enhancements. Satellite connectivity is expected as part of this OS upgrade. With One UI 7, Samsung continues to prioritize security and privacy with new tools such as anti-theft measures and enhanced app permission controls from Android 15. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.